good looking and an easy solution to some in-cab comfort, these front and rear in-channel Ventvisor window deflectors in dark smoke are a great mod for your 2024 or newer Toyota Tacoma. Now these tailor to the Tacoma owner who's looking for a functional way to get fresh air into the truck while keeping rain, snow, dust, or other things out of the cab, no matter where you are, whether you are commuting daily or hitting the dirt with your truck. These are also a nice little style touch if you do like that window deflector look and want an easy and very sleek way in order to achieve it. The biggest feature of this set is that they have the in-channel design that offers a clean and very subtle appearance to the side, in addition to not having to use any adhesive on the exterior door frame. Now the kit allows that fresh air into the cab when the windows are up most of the way, which is very crucial to avoid any fogging and keeping fresh airflow in and going throughout the cab while avoiding any rain or whatever else that you don't want getting in. The dark smoke finish also adds a nice tint, which is going to take down some of that harshness that the sun has when hitting just at that right spot at the window frame, while also having full visibility out of your window as well. Now this comes in a complete kit, all made of a durable acrylic construction that carries good impact resistance and good rigidity out of the deflectors. The acrylic is great for durability. It holds up well in the elements. It's resistant to scratching and UV rays and whatever else that it encounters over time, but it also offers the flexibility to pop them into the window channel and coexist with the window itself. And they also come with auto-grade 3M double-sided adhesive to help them stay in place so you won't have to worry about them moving around. This kit is about $100 and on par for others like it. Now in-channel deflectors are usually a little bit pricier compared to the over-the-window deflector choices just because they are a bit more detailed in the design. So with this set, you're getting that upscale styling and the function for a few extra bucks. Now while it may be a couple extra dollars compared to some other choices, this is a generally affordable mod and makes a big difference in the comfort and even the look of your truck, especially if you really like that sleek window deflector vibe. Install here is a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should only take you about an hour to get these all installed and all 4 fitted up. An hour at max. You'll probably get done a lot sooner. Now at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers here. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can properly fit these in the windows. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get to the install.
What's up folks? Today we're going to be installing some window visors in our Tacoma, so let's get started. Alrighty folks, so you want to start off with these with your windows down because we're going to be going into the factory window channel. We're going to remove the covers off our adhesive strips along our deflector. Get rid of those first. And once we have those off, we're just going to slide this into the channel like so. You want that to come up all the way. And once you have this in position, you want to roll this window up. So that's going to provide a nice push and a seal for your deflector. So we'll roll this up now and show you how that goes. Now we'll reach at the top of our door and grab onto our deflector and roll our window up. Now this might take a few tries because your window has an automatic sensor for obstructions in the window. So you want to just kind of pull it back as best you can. Once you hit the right spot, it will come up. Then you want to leave your window closed for a while, and that's going to promote good adhesion. And we can move on to our back window. So now we're going to do the same thing for our rear window. Just into the channel. Push that all the way up. And once again, we'll open the door and roll the window up. Make sure it comes up and doesn't impede our window from rolling up. So the easiest way to do this is going to be to grab the deflector with both hands, and if your truck is equipped with auto up windows like ours is, you can do this alone. However, if you have to grab it with both hands and you don't have auto up, you might need an extra set of hands to roll the window up. And once you have this side installed, you can repeat the same process for the other side. And one thing to keep in mind is after you have these installed, you want to leave your windows up for a little while. That's just going to give those deflectors that extra push to get that adhesive to adhere quite nicely. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our in-channel Ventvisor window deflectors for the front and rear in dark smoke finish for your 24 to current Tacoma. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.